I've been waiting for you to get back so I can ask you this. Let me turn on this light. I wanted to hear this for so long. The way you're staring. I want you to say the N-word, bro. I've never heard a British man say the N-word. Please. Come on.
Why?
Just I've always wanted to hear a British person say the N-word. I've never heard it.
She's dropping N-bombs for no reason.
Yes, bro. I say it all the time. It's my daily dictionary. $5. All right, go ahead.
Okay.
Okay, so what you just watched was my new intro for all of my videos, and I'm about to go and show Grace and Sachin so that I can get their initial reaction. Let me show you guys the first draft of the characters. This right here is how they drew Grace initially. Oh look at this.
This is someone telling me I need to like get a nose job or something.
Oh my god. We just picked up the hottest wing from B-Dubs, and we're gonna see who can eat the wings and have no reaction for the longest time. Cheers, boys.
One up the teeth.
This is not bad at all.
It's not that bad.
Yeah, it's getting pretty bad, man.
It's like, this ain't bad, then you take a bit more. It's like, yeah.
Damn, bro, that shit gave me hiccups. Oh, fuck.
It's a little bit better.
This kind of hurts. Fuck it. Cheers, man.
Nah, that's gonna suck.
Oh, shit. I'm starting to tear up, bro.
Yeah, I told you.
Holy fuck.
Take the less it gets.
The fuck? Give me a sec, bro.
Put on the boat.
Holy fuck. This is worse than I thought, bro.
Damn, these guys crying, bro. Look at the tears.
That shit tastes expired as fuck. Oh my god.
Drink the Coke, drink the Coke.
Isn't this supposed to make spices worse?
No. It's actually supposed to make it way worse.
It's not
It's supposed to make it
Like, holy fuck.
What pain will
Alright, fuck it, here we go.
No way.
Bro, I don't know if I'm crying or if I'm sweating, bro. Bro, is it hot?
Take some breaths. That's you, bro.
I can't speak.
The second you swallow it, that's when it all hit, bro.
Yeah.
Like, I'm like chewing, I was like, bro, it's not bad at all. Swallow that boy, I'm like, damn. And then I see Babs sweat drop. I see Mark tear drop. I was like, alright, I'm gonna feel this now.
Okay, so most of my friends have been out of town recently, and they all decided to fly in throughout this week, including my sister. Of course, they all need a ride from the airport, so I decided I'd go and pick them up, but with a little surprise. But before I can give them the surprise, I made sure to disable the locks in the back of my car, and then also turn on the child safety locks for the windows so they can't escape. Okay, now that I say that out loud, that sounds a lot creepier than it actually is, but because these are my friends, I'm allowed to do this. Anyways, I'm gonna show you it right now. Let's go. I'm gonna put this in your hand. You have to grip it tightly.
Why?
No, just don't. It's nothing bad. No, it's not. All right, grip it.
I don't want to grip it.
Just grip it. Grip
I don't want to grip it.
It's not anything scary. 3, 1, 2, 3. Hurry! Hurry! It's like go! Go! Go!
Get me the fuck out of here!
Yo, it's gonna explode! It's gonna explode! It's gonna explode! Open the window! Open the window! Open the window! Open the window! Bro! You're fucked! You're fucked! 1, 2, 3. It's a firework. Yeah! Oh, the doors are locked. No! It's gonna go off! It's gonna go off! It was fake.
Bro, actually, you want to see what's hilarious? Come over here. Look, I fucking burnt my seat. Look at this.
Is that what that?
I burnt my seat from this. Yeah.
I don't know why. I didn't hear the word firework. I thought that was like TNT or some shit. I was like,
You looked at it for a second. You're like, it's literally lit in your
I
face.
was like, I know. I was so confused.
Still standing after all this time, picking up the pieces of my life without you on my mind. I'm still standing.
Oh, Jesus, there's a fire.
Hope you liked your surprise.
Bitch.